Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I will randomly be picking 5 squishies, then cutting them in half. Why am I doing this, you ask? I don't know, but enjoy the video. Okay guys, so I have my squishy basket right here, and I'm going to stick my hand inside there, and whatever I pull out is gonna be the one I cut in half. So let's get started. Okay, so I'm going to, uh, let's see which one is the unlucky one. And it is this strawberry ice cream cone. So I guess I will be cutting this one in half. Alright. Okay, so I have this one I picked. So I guess I will be cutting this one in half. Oh, it's so sad. But here we go. Mwah. Bye-bye. It smells so good. Okay, so we're going to cut it in half. And I'm just curious to see what it looks like on the inside. Like, I'm sad to cut it, but I'm kind of like, want to know what it is on the inside. It does feel really good, but okay, let's just do this. I can't believe I'm doing this. Oh my goodness. Oh, this is kind of hard to cut, but it's okay. Oh my gosh. Okay, come on, come in. Okay, so here we go. So it looks like this on the inside. Oh my gosh. Oh, it feels weird. That absolutely feels weird. It's really soft, but it feels like sticky. I don't know, it just feels weird. But, there you go. Okay. It does feel weird. It feels good in a weird kind of way. Well, on to squishy number 2. Okay, so I'm going to pick squishy number 2. Oh, okay. I'm going to reach in the bottom, so. Alright. Okay, so I guess I will be cutting this one in half. But this one's okay, kind of, because I actually have 2 of them, so it's okay. It's a good pick, I guess. So let's go ahead and cut this in half. So, like I said, I have 2 of these, so I'm kind of not that sad. So I'm kind of happy I picked this one. So, I mean, I'm not happy, but I'm never happy cutting squishies, but it's okay. I have a white one of these as well, so, you know, it is what it is. Alright. It's a cruel, cruel world, Squishy. It's a cool, cruel world. Alright, so let me squish you one more time. And then we're going to cut it in half. I think I'm going to cut it like this way. So, here we go. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. It's sad, but it's exciting at the same time. I'm sorry, Squishy, but it is. So on the inside, it's just like all white. And it smells bad. I mean, it smells like chemicals or something. Which is weird because the other one I have that's almost like this, it doesn't smell like this at all. It smells pretty good. But, yeah. But that's how it is. And it's, yeah. So there it is. Sorry, Squishy. Sorry, Squishy. It's okay. Alright, oh my goodness. Sorry about that. Alright, let's move on to squishy number 3. Okay. Okay, so I'm gonna pick squishy number 3 to cut open. Oh, I can never hear I don't know. Okay, so I'm gonna be. Whoa! Don't fall, basket. Alright, so I'm gonna be cutting this one. It looks like some bread. Sorry, bread. I love you. Okay, so unfortunately, I have to cut this one. And it is the bread. I think it's called a sugar loaf. Now it's going to be a cut loaf. So, ooh, there's squishy pieces from before. Alright. Sorry, sugar loaf. But it is that time. So I'm going to go ahead and cut this in half. I'm guessing that it's white in the inside. And I am right. Okay, so that is how it looks on the inside. It feels exactly how it feels, or the outside feels a little bit more stiffer, I guess. It's a little bit more softer on the inside, but still, it's kind of, it's not a like real squishy, I don't think. I think this is like kind of an imitation. It's not like an eye bloom or an Arix or a Reedy, because those brands are like, I think, authentic and real. They have their label. These are just kind of knockoff ones, so I'm kind of glad I picked them. Because I will be so, I mean, obviously I'm not going to pick the ones on top because I can see them. But I'm going to pick the ones I can't see, so, you know. So some of my better ones are at top, so I guess that's a good thing. So, no squishy is a good squishy to cut. It's all sad. Like, I like, you know what I mean? Oh well. On to squishy number 4. Okay, on to squishy number 4. Okay, so I picked from the center and I reached over there. Maybe I'm gonna pick from like in the back there. So let's see what we. I don't know. Okay, and it is a donut squishy. I actually have both of those donuts. The white one, the donut fluff, and the yellow one. So I guess I will be doing the yellow one. So let's get a cut in. I'm sorry, that is very cringy. Let's just cut this squishy in half. Okay. Let me take one final look at it before it is cut in half. One last squeeze. Alright. Let's cut you in half. Been nice knowing you, donut. I'm assuming that it's white on the inside. Yep. It kind of looks like a real donut. Because I think donuts are white on the inside. So, or, oh, this smells good. Anyway, so there it is. Poor little donut. Poor little donut cut in half. It's sticky though. It's like sticky. I literally can stick this back together. Oh. I don't know. It's sticky. But there you go. Donut cut in half. Sorry, donut. Anyway, on to the last squishy, which is squishy number 5. Okay, so for the fifth squishy, I'm going to pick something in this area. Or, you know what? I'm not going to pick underneath. I'm just going to pick something off the top. I'm going to pick... No, I'm not picking that one. I'm going to pick this one. Right here. I'm going to pick this one off the top. So we're going to go ahead and cut this one. Let's get one last look at it before you are cut in half. Alright, let's get this cut open. Alrighty. Alright. Oh, it smells so good. Anyway. So, I'm going to be cutting this Lucio Squeezies hot coffee fresh brewed. And it's super soft, slow rising, but you're getting cut in half. I think this is probably going to be pink on the inside, but you never know. Oh. What the? Okay, here we go. The moment of truth. Ooh. Oh, it is pink on the inside. Ooh. That's weird. It's got like, wait, let me see this. It's kind of like this one. This one's stickier, but like, this one is like, it's weird. Like, I don't know if you can hear this. Wait, let's see if you can hear this, but it makes a weird sound. I don't know if you can hear that, but it's just like, it's just, I don't know. I don't know if you can hear that, but it makes a weird sound. A weird rising sound. But it's really soft on the inside. It's like soft on the outside too, but it's just like really soft. Like really, really soft. It smells really good. Well, there you have it. All these cut in half squishies. I got the coffee, the ice cream, which is super sticky that probably can stick it back together. It's like really sticky on the inside. The bread. The other kind of bread, the croissant. And the donut. And as a disclaimer, no squishies were harmed in the making of this video. Well, I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. As always, thanks for watching. Bye!
From the back and drive you wild. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Girl, I